everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Scrapboutique unboxing. I noticed recently they did a restock and one of the items they included was a tab punch that I've had my eye on probably a couple of years, but I've never been able to find it in stock in Australia or even overseas for any kind of reasonable price. That is why I placed the order. They had a few other things. I had a bit of spending money. Most of these things are just because, but the main reason I placed the order was for that punch. So the paper has gotten ripped here, which is fine, totally normal. It's kind of an odd shaped package. It's always really beautifully packaged and I've never had any problems with it arriving damaged. No affiliate links or anything. I just like to share my stuff. You guys know that. This is all purchased with my own money. Yeah. Okay, so let's have a look. Alright, so I got some stuff. Oh, that's my punches. They're heavy. Alright, so let's see. Freddo Frog. I need to eat that before my son steals it like he did the last one. So I got some of the Bella Boulevard new collection To the Moon. I haven't seen it anywhere else. I just was browsing the new arrivals page and they were there. I mainly got these because we went to a NASA exhibit at the Queensland Museum. I feel like it was last year, but I vastly underestimate how much time has passed. So I think it was a couple of years ago. It was really great. We took a bunch of pictures. We all had a really fun time. So I specifically wanted something to document those pictures. I've been holding off. And I saw these and I thought, you know, it's a good mix of the colors I like. So I got the chipboard. 12 by 12 chipboard sheet. This is very cute. Lots of really nice titles, which was why I was especially drawn to it. I love chipboard titles, but I really love these colors. They're really nice. Yeah, this aqua is one of my favorite colors ever. I love navy. I love yellow, and I especially like this kind of a bright but slightly mustardy yellow. My favorite yellow. Love it. And then we have pops of a really nice red. Lots of fun, lots of moons, stars, and really easy to use motifs. So that's that chipboard. 12 by 12. I also got the Ephemera. So this is a huge die cut pack. There are 110 in here. That's a lot. So there are a bunch of word phrases and tags and things like that over this side. Circles and titles and things. And then over this side, a lot of icons. So this is the kind of ephemera I love. Love, love, love. Really easy to use. Lots of, yeah, again, planets and moons and little aliens, kids in spacesuits. Super cute. Really fun color scheme. I love that. So, had to get those. Then I got the Puffies because they're pretty much all stars and moons. I could make a whole page just with these. These are so easy to use and I love Puffies. They're my favorite embellishment. Yeah, so I couldn't pass these up, obviously. I think I wanted the stickers, but they were out. Well, there was some reason I didn't get the stickers. I also didn't get the paper because they were only available in a pack. It was really expensive and a lot of the designs were really busy, not the kind of papers that I like for paper backgrounds, and I think the prints on most of them were too small to even fussy cut, so I just passed on the papers. I've got heaps of my own paper I can just pull in to fit the color scheme and make a nice kind of mini kit. All right, what else have we got? A static pad for embossing because I still don't have one. I don't emboss as much as I would like to because the static annoys me. So yeah, I thought I might as well just grab this. Needed it and I am very glad I have it now. 2 more Distress Oxide colors because I have a problem. I'm addicted. I cannot stop buying these. I can't stop using them. I use them a lot, so I don't feel bad about buying them. But I just, every time I try to use them, I feel like I don't have exactly the right color I want because I want every single color, so I just grabbed a couple more while the sale was on. So I got Tumbled Glass and Shaded Lilac, so I just feel like I'm lacking some of those softer, paler colors. Really pretty blue and a really pretty lilac. I'm happy to have another 2 of those to add to my collection. These are the Pink Fresh Days of Splendor Mini Puffy Alphas. I got these, I think these are either on clearance or I just saw the colors and I like them. So it's just one of those sheets of Pink Fresh Mini Puffy Alphas, just single-sided. But I really love the color scheme. You get heaps on these. 233 alphabet pieces. There's only a row and a half of numbers, so I'm definitely going to get plenty of use out of these. They're the best size. I love puffies. It's so cute. Beautiful color scheme. Yeah, had to get them. Right. Now, I also got this. I had this in my cart already when I loaded up my cart and I nearly took it out, but I thought I may as well just get it. Simple Stories Color Vibe cardstock kit. It's 6 sheets of papers. You guys know I absolutely love a wood grain, but apart from that, I really love these Simple Stories wood grain sheets, because not only are they wood grain, but the B side is a beautiful, it's always a beautiful ledger or notebook paper, which are also one of my favorite backgrounds to use. So really pretty wood grain, and then a notepad. So yeah, oh, the corner is just a little bit bent on these, that's fine. And it's a nice variety of different kinds of wood grains. So just a nice cream grid paper, a nice mid-tone cedar wood grain, then another lined notebook page. This is hickory apparently. So you see the tones get darker as we go through, and then a nice, what would we call that? Off-white? Apparently this is white. I don't think it's a true white, I think it's still slightly cream, but this is definitely cream. A nice dark elm, that's handy. And then the other side is a cream grid, and then a nice really dark walnut, just like a wood cross section, and then another cream ledger page. Really, really pretty. So yeah, a nice variety of different tones of wood grain from light to dark. Now let's bust into this packet. Yay! Okay, so we have some fun things here. So there's my tab punch that I was talking about. Finally have one. I'm so happy to have this. I can't tell you how many hours and hours and hours I've spent online trying to find one of these, but I have it now. I'm definitely going to use this heaps for December Daily this year. So EK, are they EK Success? EK Tools by American Crafts. I have a few of these big punches. I really like them. I think they're really good quality. I've never had any issues. I really like them, and I like that they click, they lock closed. Ooh. So they click and lock closed, so you can stack them when you store them, and then you just click to unlock, and yeah, they punch really nicely. I'm really happy. I'm so happy to have this. I can't tell you guys. I'm sure most of you can relate. And then I got the Hexagon Punch also, because I don't have a Hexagon Punch. I would make so many more Hexagon layouts if I had a punch, so I just went ahead and grabbed it. These are really quite expensive, I'm not gonna lie, especially like for any punch, they're quite expensive. I think in Australia they're like $25 each. Yeah, $25.56 full price they are. Okay, so I finally got it open. So it's just a 2-inch. So that's 2 inches across, Hexagon Punch. Yeah, so simple shapes are always a really good type of punch to invest in. Get a lot of use out of them. This kind of thing I'll pull out and use all the time. Okay, and then the last thing I got is this teeny tiny little album. This is one of the We Are Memory Keepers with Paige Evans 4x4 little D-ring albums. How cute. It's so cute and little. I have no idea what I'm going to use this for, but I just thought it was really cute. What I actually was thinking was maybe a mini album about all the design teams I've been on over the years, or I might do something else entirely. So I just thought it was really cute. I had to get one. This is probably my favorite design, the geometric. I like all of them, but yeah, this is probably my favorite. It's really cute. I am concerned about taking this label off the front, so hopefully that comes off reasonably easily. I love the inside. That's my favorite yellow. And the polka dot's really cute. They're just so cute. Look at the size of these little pages. Oh my goodness. So you do only get 4, I think, or 5 of these little sleeves, which isn't a whole lot. This wasn't particularly cheap. For an album this size, it was $18 Australian for a 4-inch album. I don't usually pay that much for 12x12 albums, but it was really cute and I really want to have a go at doing the 4-inch design. So that is the very last thing I got. I really hope you enjoyed joining me for this little haul. Not many items, but I did spend quite a bit of money because some of these items were expensive. So that's $50 worth of punches right there. So anyway, I'm really pleased with this. I'm trying not to buy too many papery embellishment-y pieces because I am thinking about doing a kit subscription. And yeah, I'm really pleased with this little haul. So thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.